This is a universal wrench, and it's typical of a product that we sell to a lot of engine plants, assembly plants, and transmission plants. It has a ball joint on one end, which allows for slight misalignment and allows the tool to attach to the fastener at a slight angle, up to about 20 degrees. APEX designed what we call and have trademarked the iron band approach, which this is a machined steel sleeve which is pressed over the pins once assembly is complete. The fundamental difference between the standard universal wrench and the iron band is, as you can see looking closely, where the drive pins protrude through the shoulders of the sockets. Where that is happening, or where that protrudes through, creates a weak point in the socket, both in the shoulder and the pinhole. The pins themselves are a weak point as well during normal use. Eventually, because of the way these are driven, failure will take place. In the iron band, as you can see, the sleeve covers the area, and this is a pressed-on sleeve that is pressed over this weak point from the back of the socket, and it prevents the pins, if they're failing, from coming out and potentially snagging a gloved or a finger of an operator. It dramatically increases the actual strength of the socket, plus when it does fail, causes much less potential for an injury to the operator.